going on, guys? Welcome back to episode number 3 of the Integra build series. We're gonna jump right into this video. As you guys have probably seen in my previous videos, I have a jack standle here with a rag holding my hood up. This car's never had a hood prop in the time that I've owned it, and I decided today is the day to finally go ahead and do something about that. So I hopped up on eBay and found these hood strut gas dampers, whatever you want to call them, made by none other than Jing Wing. Yeah. The hardest part of the install I'm seeing may just be, I obviously, like I said, I don't have a hood prop, which means I'm gonna have to hold the hood and install everything by myself. No big deal. This did come with some instructions. There you have it. Nothing crazy. And you got yourself a good picture right there to go ahead and kind of reference your work off of. Alright guys, I had to stop the time lapse early, but I got this one installed. The install was kind of iffy. I'm not 100% happy with it. There's retaining clips right here, and it slides through, and basically it holds this ball from popping out. Same thing with down here. And yeah, it was just kind of an iffy install. I wasn't 100% confident in it, so I wanted to take a little bit more time to get it installed properly. It's holding the hood up. That's only one side done. So I guess that's kind of impressive, but I don't know, man. These are kind of making me nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I gotta say, it's nice having props, but I'm just trying to decide if they're gonna work or not. They're strong. Well, I guess that's a wrap. I got a few fitment issues, nothing further than just these bodies right here on the struts. I'm touching the fender just a little bit, which isn't a huge deal. To the average consumer, to me, it's a very big deal because I don't want it scratching up my stuff or making rattling noises or anything, but I'm gonna get that sorted out. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the insulation fitment issues. Could be an insulation issue, and it could just be because I bought them on eBay. Hard to say, but I'm gonna get it sorted out. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in episode 4 of the Integra build series.